Record an app or game along with your face with facecam screen recorder. Facecam screen recorder video screen recorder is an app to help you record apps games along with your face using your phone front camera. Adjust the location, size and shape of the face camera according to your need. Change the video resolution. You can mute the audio or choose between the microphone or the built-in audio sources. With the built-in screenshot editor, you can easily edit the screenshot you take. Easily share video or a screenshot with your friends or apps to the others app. So if you want this app, you can go to the Google's Play Store and download it for your necessary recording. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.